I have nothing to say. We accept and whatever his decision is, and we have worked for a very long time together from my late father's time, and of course we've done many things, positively for the state, for the party, and I cherish all those moments and all those things. And there comes, I guess, a time when they also, or rather, he is also having his own mind and maybe some things that he wishes to do. So we have no issues with that. As I said, from the party side, we have always given our respect to our leaders. And even I remember very clearly that my late father was very keen that he should become a Rajya Sabha MP. But that time he had rejected that offer, and that's why that time I think Thomas had become the Rajya Sabha MP. But then I ensured that that particular aspect also, so that a person who has been very active in politics and given a lot of his time to governance, to people, I felt that it was important that a person like that should be voicing our concerns at the parliament. And so we went ahead and we appointed, or rather, we elected him as the Rajya Sabha MP. But as I said, I guess Dr. Kharlukhi has his own concerns, his own points, and his own plans, and I wish him all the very best.
The timing considered as a setback?
Not really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am, of course, very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen. But I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done and a lot of people have joined the party. And I think that's the nature of politics and party politics. We will see. We will see. We'll discuss with the party leaders and then we will take a call.